Hey guys, we are learning Java, and in this part we are printing 1 to 20 numbers, but when we reach at 3 it will be add 2 numbers. So 3 plus 2 is 5 and rest of the things is 6, 7, 8 and 9, and when we reach at 9 it will be stop, right? When we reach at 10 it will be a stop. So let's write code and understand this example while loop continue and break statement, right? So let's create variable I and put it to while loop, right? So for understanding while loop, so let's see the example. So I is less than equal to 20, right? So we are printing 1 to 20 means 19, I mean 20, right? But here is some condition. If I is equals to 3, we want to add two numbers, right? So I plus equals to 2. It means when we reach at 3 it will be add two numbers, means 1, 2 and 3. 3 plus 2 is 5, right? So I is equals to I plus 2. It means this is called shorthand operators, right? And let's continue. So I plus equals to 2 means this is called plus and equal to, this is called shorthand operators, right? So when we reach at 3 it will be a stop, just continue, adding two numbers and continue, right? So we want to add up some more condition it here, right? So when we reach at 10, right, I is equals to a 10, I is equals to 10. When we reach at 10, right, so it should be a stop. So let's break it, right? So this way we can use break continue, right, with while loop, right? And just show the message in a console system.out.println, and here is I, and plus is concatenation operator, and for backward slash and T, right? So T for tab, right, tab key from a keyboard, right? And I plus plus means I is equals to I plus 1, means every time it's an increment plus 1, right? So let's understand one more time. We are printing 1 to 20 characters, but here is the condition. When we reach at 3 it will add two numbers, right? I plus 2 means when we reach at 3 means here, right, it will add two numbers. So 3 plus 2 is 5 and rest of the things is 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? So when we reach at 10 you can see 9 is here in our output. When we reach at 10 it will just stop, just break it, right? So system.out.println and adding I plus plus, right? So let's run this and understand, right? So you can see 1, 2, and when we reach at 3 it add 2, right? So we have a 5, right, not 3 and 4. And when we reach at 9 it just stop. You can see when we reach at 9 it just stop. So today we have a seen while loop continue and break. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel so you can get more videos on Java, right? So thanks for watching.